Hi, my name is Murray Guy. I'm the owner of Integrated Designs, a project management and commissioning company that specializes in high-performance buildings. Today, I'm going to talk to you about new thinking for a sustainable building industry, on how we're going to eliminate 35% of the greenhouse gas emissions. For those of you that have children, you can relate. This is my daughter and nephew. We're out on the Churchill on a canoe trip and recharging energy, really enjoying the environment that I'm very passionate about saving. As I said before, 35% of our greenhouse gas emissions come from the building industry. This is no longer acceptable. So why are we working like crazy for stuff we don't need? Our way of thinking is creating a big problem called climate change. I know it's an inconvenient truth that we only have one planet. We need to think differently before it's too late. Leo Murray does a really good little video called Wake Up, Freak Up, Then Get a Grip that does a really good job of explaining the science of climate change. Where we're currently at plus 0.8 degrees Celsius, we've already released enough CO2 emissions to get us to 1.4, which is very close to the tipping point that if we don't get a grip, we're going to end up with runaway climate change, and those are species of animals that are falling into the inferno. The future will be scary if our children are forced to fight for scarce resources. So let's get a grip. For me, it was easy. One day when I was windsurfing in a no-wind day in Maui, these two characters came up to me and said, "Murray, you're having way too much fun windsurfing. We need you to stop and do something about it, think differently about how we work in our building industry. A sustainable economy is the only answer. So we need for you to help get green done." To be successful in the 21st century, we need to think differently. There's a really good book by Daniel Pink, Why Right-Brainers Will Rule the Future. Oprah actually gave this out at the Stanford address, I think 4,500 copies of the book. It's basically about collaborative thinking, right brain thinking. What happens when we think differently? When we eliminate waste in the automotive industry, Toyota, Honda were very successful. Our building industry needs a transformation. What happens when we think differently in the carpet industry, interface, heading to net zero, emission zero, zero emissions by the year 2020? Companies that think differently, sustainably, are more successful, 38% more profitable, as studied by Bob Willard in The Sustainable Advantage. Our industry has lots of room for improvement. There is a new process called Integrated Project Delivery that works on relational contracting. It is a way we can fix our industry. If there's 10% waste in the process right now, and we know that LEED Platinum buildings are a 6% premium, that leaves us 4% to buy the renewable energy that we need to get to net zero. It is simple as that. Great ideas can connect people to change the world. Integrated Project Delivery, or Lean Project, is that type of a process. I need you to spread the word so we can eliminate those 35% greenhouse gases. Net zero performance for net zero additional capital cost. Thank you. For more information, I do have a couple other videos that you may be interested in seeing. Thank you.